Hey guys, I never really give y'all a chance to take a look at this the other day real close, but you know, she's in pretty good shape. I feel better and better about it every moment. There's no cracks in the wood, and I figured I'd find some. There's a lot of work to be done once I take the barrel off in the wood, but there's the sear right there. It's in good shape. No cracks right in here. As you tend to see, that's the Turkish markings. It's 1939. And I'm not going to try to pronounce it. It's Ankara. That's the company that, or the city that makes it. And everything matches so far. The bolt looks really good. Very clean. It's in the cocked position. That's that three. I call this disassembly spot, but I'll be taking this apart and cleaning it completely. And I haven't got a go/no-go gauge, and I guess I'm just going to depend on good luck. They have a number here, 038. And I don't suspect the bolt would be matching to it, but it might. But I just don't know what that 038 is. All the other markings, as you can see, they match. They match underneath up here. They match. They match here. So I don't know, but I'm going down the full barrel, and there's a little wear right here, but that's okay. It means this thing's pretty much all original. As you can see, there's no change or light, dark in the wood. I carry these things right here because that's the balance point. Underneath you can see, I mean, it's got some spots, but whether or not that's a little cosmoid, but it has the bore cleaner. I'll pull these rings off. Pull this off and cap it, and underneath this I'm going to find rust because water is where it likes to go underneath these things. You can't get to it, and I'll take some triple-aught or quad-aught scouring pads and rub them down, oil them real good, dress it up. I had some thoughts about really restoring this thing. I'm gonna take her just back to what she was. I checked the rifling. Yeah, and clips go in here, folks. Clips. But I wanted to see those numbers match. Check the rifling, and man, it is really good. I mean, it's deep, you know, it's not wore out, hadn't been shot out. You know, it'll take a little bit of work, but it'll be fun. Most fun's gonna be taking this part. In case you didn't know, this is a bolt tool. But it's gonna look pretty up next to my Mosin. See you guys.